about some classic luxury here at Unique Specialty and Classics. It's a 1990 Cadillac Brougham. Very low miles also, just a little over 21,000 is all in this car. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles. Best of all, that 5.7 liter underneath the hood. Power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Of course, automatic transmission with overdrive. Let's go ahead and take a look at this front grille, bumper, headlight surrounds. Check out the bright work up here. Looks good. If you want to take your time looking through the still pictures of this car, see the interior, the underside, the engine bay, uniqueclassiccars.com. This vehicle is going to come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan that may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You can call us 507-386-1726. As you can see on the hood, the paint is in nice shape. This is dark maple metallic with the maple leather interior. Let's go ahead and take a look down the passenger side here. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run, take a little closer look at the interior. But as you can see, split bench up front, leather seating surfaces. Now granted, the car is a 1990. There's a few imperfections here and there, and I'll kind of point out what I know as we go around it. Vinyl top, also maple in color. Free of rips, tears, and holes, also in nice shape. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. Of course, the 5.7 liter badging in the rear, V8 underneath the hood. One spot I did notice over here, little piece of that filler panel on the rear is missing. And again, take your time looking through the still pictures. There's 100 pictures or more of this car online, uniqueclassiccars.com. Let's take a look down the driver's side here. Kind of a little, I don't know if it's a little touch up or just a little spot where it's kind of buffed a little different right there. Nothing too major. Like I said, just a few little things here and there. Nothing that's going to affect how this thing's going to drive down the road. Rear wheel drive, of course. Let's take a look at the rear seats. Seating surface is also nice shape. Doesn't look like the rear's hardly been sat in. See in the backrests also good shape. What the headliner? Headliner looks good. Slip up to the front of this. Of course, power windows, power locks, power seat over here on the driver's side. Tilt, cruise. Again, AC blows cold. There's a telescopic wheel. Leather seating surface, obviously not going to show a whole lot of wear with that kind of miles on it. Now, one thing, if you watched the videos before, let me step back, I want to show you something. That is the true color of that interior. It's a nice, deep burgundy maple color. If I get right on top of them with the camera, some of these different colors will start to fade out and wash out. So just to let you know, that's a nice kind of burgundy maple color. Exact miles, let's check those out. 21,566, as you can see there. Let's fire this up. Now, as you can see up here, where the warning lights or indicator lights would be, like that fasten belts. No warning indicator lights. Lit up. Dash working. Not played around with a stereo on this one. Let's check that out. Power antenna. That's a go.
The quick trip or Hyundai at Mankato.com.
There stereo system. Little static out of one speaker, but stereo does work. Rest of the dash not cracked, sun faded, baked, anything like that. Looks good. Guess what you'd expect it to sound like. Just a smooth running 5.7 liter. Let's slip up here. Let me get this hood popped and let's check out that engine bay. Alright, I have the hood popped, but I wanted to show you something real quick. I turned to a radio station with better reception since I'm indoors right here and wanted to recheck that radio, so hear radio working. I think that static might have been from the station. Let it double check. And here we go. Take a look at this engine bay. Hood liner, nice and clean. Does not look like it's really been driven in much for inclement weather. And AC does blow cold, remember. Power steering, power brakes, automatic with overdrive transmission paired up with a 5.7 liter. 1990 Cadillac Brougham, full-size sedan, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles just a little over 21,000. 507-386-1726. Remember, it's going to come with that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. May be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1990 Cadillac Brougham. This has digital readout for gauges. Fuel is showing a quarter. This says 21,570 miles. It feels like a new car. Automatic on the column. It's a very smooth ride. Stays right in the lane if you let go of the wheel. We got power antenna.
Get up and go out into the world.
It's the key to win. Radio seems to work good. Wipers are working well. Let's see how she turns here. Typical feel. Takes the corners nice and smooth. Good power from this engine. Very comfortable as a Cadillac should be. You definitely want to check out this Cadillac at uniqueclassiccars.com. GoPro, stop capturing.